Hello guys, this is the second video I'm going to be doing. So this is simplifying rationals with expressions level 2. Now, the difference between this one and the previous one is that this one we have to factor because they gave us a trinomial. And you may be asking, what's a trinomial? I don't know what that is. Well, this is right here. That is a trinomial, so we have to factor it. So what are the steps? So step number 1, factor the trinomial. We need to factor it. Step number 2, look at the top and bottom. And step number 3 is just cancel binomials. Okay, so let's go ahead and factor out the trinomial first, right? So let me go ahead, factor it. When we talk about factoring, first I look over here, see if I have a number. I do not, so that means I'm just gonna keep the 25 and I need to find two numbers that give me 25. So 1 and 25 and 5 and 5. Once I figure out my two factors, all I have to do now is literally see which one gives me the middle number. So right here I know 1 and 25 is not going to give me the middle number, so I need to look at the other pair. 5 and 5 gives me 10, which is exactly what we're looking for. So I have my two factors, okay? So let's go ahead and rewrite them. So it's going to be x plus 5, x plus 5 over x plus 3, x plus 5. Okay, so this is what we have. So step 2, we're going to be looking at the top and on the bottom of my fraction to see what's the same. So I know this guy right here is the same as this guy, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel them. So they cancel. So now I just cancel and I leave whatever is left over. That's going to be my answer. So it's going to be x plus 5 over x plus 3. I don't have to write my parentheses, but I've gotten used to writing them, so I'm just going to keep it in my parentheses. And that's my answer for number 1 for this examples. Now let's go ahead and do the other one. Now you're going to notice that this time I have my trinomial on the bottom. So what we're going to do, I can't even speak. So what we're going to do is that we're just going to go ahead and factor it. It's pretty easy, same process. So I notice that there's nothing in the front, so I'm going to find factors of 12. 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. Now I'm going to see which factor gives me the middle number, -1. So not this one. 1 and 12 cannot give it to me. 2 and 6 cannot give me -1. Now 3 and 4 is the one that I want, but I need that -1 that we have right here. Meaning that the big one is going to have to turn negative in order to give me that -1. So now we just write our factors, and I'm going to put the other stuff on the top first. So x minus 3, x plus 3. Now everything's going to be over x plus 3 and x minus 4. Like I always say, we're going to have to go ahead and cancel out everything that's the same. So I notice that the x plus 3 and the x plus 3 are the same. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel them out, which is going to give me x minus 3 over x minus 4. And that is my answer. That is it. That's the video. So if you show me the notes for this video, you are going to get another sticker. So that's already 2 stickers if you already did the first one. All right, see you guys in the next video.